In every algebraic equivalent fraction, the value at the left hand side must be equal to the value at the right hand side. For example, at the numerator, the value you get at the numerator at the left hand side must be equal to the value at the what at the numerator at the right hand side. It also applies to the value of the denominator at the left hand side must also be equal to what the value at the denominator at the right hand side. Okay, so let's dive into this example. As you can see, first of all, the first thing first is to first of all, this we have one line at the left hand side. We also have one line at the right hand side, which means what cross multiplication. So first of all, we have to cross multiply. We have to first of all cross multiply. If you cross multiply, let me write it down. Let me write solution to this question. So we are given this the symbol as 6pq 3 over 2p. Definitely you're going to cross multiply, right? So if you cross multiply, this one comes to this side. That means this symbol times 2p is equal to what? 6pq times 3. This boss times 2p is what? 2p boss is equal to what? 6pq times 3. First of all, say 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is what? Is 18. So we have pq. So pq, right? So definitely we want to make this symbol the subject of formula because we want to get the value of this symbol. So the first thing first is to divide by anything that is attached to it. So at this point, what is attached to it is this 2p. So it say divide both sides by what? 2p. So if I divide both sides by 2p, I'm going to have so we're going to have this cancel this, and this p cancel p, and these two cancel say 1 cancel 18 is what? 9. So we're going to have this value here is equal to 9q over what? 1. And 9q over 1, let me draw it again. Let me write the symbol. 9q over 1 is same thing and writing 9q. So this is answer to question number 1. But let's check. Remember, the value at the numerator must be equal to the value at the numerator. The value at the denominator must be equal to the value at the denominator. So let's check it. So this particular, anytime you see this symbol represented with this 9q. So let's dive into this at the left hand side. So in the left hand side, we are giving this symbol will change to what? 9q. So it's 9q over 6pq, right? Q cancel itself. Any number you use to divide the numerator must also use to divide the numerator. In this instance, I'm going to use 3 to divide this. So if I use 3, I'm going to have 3. If I use 3 to divide 6, I'm going to have 2. So you know that we have 3 over what? 2p. So 3 over 2p at the left hand side. You look at it, the value remain the same. So you know that our final answer, that shows that our answer is what is correct. Our answer is what? 9q. So when I substitute it, I see arrive at the what? At the value in my what? In the right hand side. So I mean this value is what? Is very correct. Let's dive into the second question. In the second question, it looks confusing, but don't follow the same process. You know what? You will get the same value. So let's dive in. So first of all, let's write the question first. It's 5ef square everything over this symbol is equal to 20f over what? 24, right? So one line at the right hand side, right at the left hand side, one line at the right hand side. It means what? Cross multiplication, which I'm going to cross multiply. And if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 20f times this boss is equal to 24 times 5ef square. Okay, let me write this e very well. So 24 times 5, 24 times, so here we have 20f boss is equal to 24 times 5. 24 times 5 is going to have 120. 120, 24 times 5ef square. So first of all, I'll use 24 times 5. 24 times 5, I have 120. This ef square. So I'll still retain my ef square, ain't it? So I want to get the value of this symbol. So what I'm going to do is to divide both sides by this 20f. Ain't it? Because 20f is attached to this symbol. So when I divide when I divide both sides by this 20f, I'm going to have something like this. This is 20f. This one cancel this one. So I'm left with my boss is equal to 120 ef square every to about 20f. I want to definitely get the value of my symbol here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this side because this is square. I'm going to expand it. If I'm expanding it, it will become then my boss is equal to as 120 times e f squared means multiply f into two places times f every to this 20 this 20f is saying writing 20 times f 20 times f, so f cancel f, right? So we are let this 20 cancel say 1 cancel this one is what is 6. So we are going to have our boss is equal to what? 6 times e is 6e, 6e times f is 6ef, 6ef every 2 over what? Over 1, ain't it? So 6ef over 1 is into writing 6ef. So our symbol, the value of this symbol is what? 6ef. So here the answer to this place is what? 6ef. But let's check if the answer is correct. Let me cancel all these ones here. Let me check if this answer, this all this value is equal to the value at the right hand side. So in my left hand side I have 5ef square every to over 6ef. I want to check if the value of the right hand side is equal to the value at the what? Left hand side. Definitely this square, this can be written as 5ef and this can be written as 5 times e times f every to over 6 times e times f. This one cancel this one, this e cancel e. So I'm left with 5f. Let me write this one is not check again. This is, let me check. I'm checking my answer now. This 5 times f is 5f every to over 6 times 1 times 1 is 1, so it's 6. So in my left hand side I'm left with 5f over 6. Let's check the value at the right hand side. In my value at the right hand side I have 20f over what? Over 24. Remember what number can divide by 20 and 4? 4 divided by 20 is 5. 4 divided by 24 is what? Is 6. So invariably we have 5f over what? Over 6. As you can see, both the answer you get at the right hand side is equal to the answer you get at the right hand side. This is the basic concept of algebraic equivalent equation. Okay, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any new content. And for more informative content, don't forget to like and share my channel, GCSE Maths Academy. Until I see you next time, thank you.